Alright guys and gals, I'm going to take and use zip ties to mount this with. I'm going to put it right here. I miscalculated that one. Get another zip tie. I've got oodlums of these things. Now, it ain't going nowhere. I'll leave a little bit of room to tighten them up even more after they sit for a little while. Now I've got this mounted, and now I can use my remote without the wire. And if that remote fails, I can still use my wired remote. And all is good. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you want some more videos on ATVs or not ATVs, but these side-by-sides, check out Wood Walker's video. Good friend of mine, Frank Hamilton. He's a really good guy. He makes a lot more videos than I make, and he's really knowledgeable about all these little fits and things that you can do with these things and all that. But yeah, give his channel a subscribe, or follow him, watch his videos. He's got a lot of videos on these. But anyway, thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. God bless.